Hi everybody, today we're going to do parabolic curves, and I'll just bring the image that I've done up a bit closer so you can see it. Parabolic curves are straight lines which when joined turn into a curve, which is really quite exciting. So what you need is one sheet of A5 paper, so that can be an A4 sheet divided into two. And the first thing you do is fold your sheet in half, okay, like that. All right, next thing, open up your sheet again and take your ruler. And what you want to do is look very closely. I'm positioning my ruler at the bottom left-hand corner of my piece of paper. Okay, so I put it there and then it's touching the fold of my sheet. Now you want to get your ruler so that when you take your pencil, it cuts through the corner of that bottom left-hand side. See there, okay, that 90-degree angle. You want to cut through that. So arrange your ruler on there, take your pencil and go all the way down to meet there, okay? And then you go on to the other side, the right hand side, and do the same thing. So in that corner, and you can mark that corner so you know where to go. You line up your ruler, line it up with the line you've already done with your pencil at the fold and here. And then you've got your triangle. I'm going to put it up, I'm going to bring it up close to the camera so you can see it. So can you see it's there? So I hit the corner there. Okay, so when you've done that, you don't need all of the line you've drawn, only 10 centimeters. So I'm going to measure out 10 centimeters. So I turn my sheet upside down. Measure 10 centimeters to there. I'm going to do a little dot thick enough so I can see it. And on the other side, 10 centimeters. There. And then I'm going to rub out what I don't need, because I'm not going all the way to the bottom. There. And there. Okay, so that's that step. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to mark out my first line at 1 centimeter intervals. So I want a 1 centimeter interval between each space. So I place my ruler at 0 at the point of my triangle, and then just do my dots there, thick enough so you'll be able to see them. 9, and then my 10th one is done. And then I do the same on the other side. So 0 is at the apex, at the top. And I do my thick dots on the line. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 is done for me. Okay, now the next thing I need to do is I want to number my dots, and you'll find out why as we go along. So with your pencil, you go, that's here, that side is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then on this side, you start again from number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so look very carefully at what I've done. My 1 is at the bottom of my triangle on this side. Let me put it up this way. And on this side it's at the top of my triangle. Okay, stop the video anytime you need to. Play it back so that you follow what I've just done. Okay, once you've done that step, we take our ruler, and I'm going to use a biro again so that it's nice and bright and clear. Now what I do is I put my ruler at dot number 1 and I join it to the other dot number 1, so the corresponding dots there and there, trying to make sure that my dots will touch, and I draw a nice neat line there. I'm going to change colours so you can see really clearly what happens. Okay, so 1 meets 1, and then I go to my dot number 2 and I join it to the other dot number 2, to the corresponding dot number 2, like that. Okay, and then dot number 3 meets its twin on the other side, and I join them. I didn't change colours. I'm going to change colours now. Dot number 4 goes with dot number 4, its twin. There we go. Change colours. Number 5 goes with number 5. Six goes with number 6. I forgot to change colour again. But that's a nice pattern actually. 1 red, 2 blues, 1 red, 2 blues. 7 goes with 7. Adjust my ruler slightly. 1 red. Back to blue. 8 goes with 8. Nine goes with 9. I'm going to stick to my 2 blues. Line up my rulers to get it as accurate as I can. Sometimes I touch my dots to make sure they are going to be flush. And back to red. 10 goes with 10. There. And that is your parabolic curve. See that? Good. Okay. So do a couple of those and just have fun with that. Practice. You can have it that way. You can put it that way as well. Either way looks good, or you can have it that way or facing that way. And when you get the hang of it, this is what you can do another stage. When you've really got that control with the ruler, let me find another one that I did. Can I find it here? Where are you? Right, okay. Have a look at this one. Now what I did with this one is, instead of a gap of 1 centimetre, there's a gap of ½ centimetre. So my spaces are smaller and you get a really fine design. So let me hold it up again so you can see. So when you're really confident with the 1 centimetre spaces, try with just 0.5 centimetres in between, which means you will have 20 dots going this side and 20 going that side. Hope you enjoyed the video. Have fun doing your parabolic curves and see you next Wednesday. Bye.